Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to turn it off. Now you don't do it by pressing the power button because Samsung decided to remove that function. So now you get this shitty Bixby that no one actually cares for. So instead we're going to pull down our notifications twice and then press on the power button right here, which will bring up our boot options. And from here you want to hold power off. As you can see, once you do so, this will change into safe mode. So just simply tap on it once more to initiate the reboot. When the device boots back up, it will automatically go to the safe mode in which only the pre-installed applications will function. And any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled from either turning itself on or by allowing you to turn it on. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, we have a watermarking right here saying safe mode. And let's see if we can find any applications that won't work. And I just found one, which theoretically is clock. So if you try to open it up, it just gives you the pop-up disabled. Now there is more apps, or I believe there should have been more apps right here, but for some reason they're hidden. So not exactly sure what Samsung is doing. It hides some apps, then keeps some other ones. Go figure, it's Samsung. I guess they're gonna just do whatever the hell they want. So there's also, by the looks of it, as you can see right here, a couple other applications that most likely will not function, which we can find right here that are pre-installed. So this would be Tips, Notes, Gaming Hub, Calendar, Calculator, Clock, Facebook, Members, Samsung free Epic Game. So these two right here are ones that are already a third-party application, while all these ones right here are ones that would come default installed by the device. So Samsung does give you the option to install them when you're going to the setup. They're not installed by default, hence they do become disabled. Not sure why they do it this way, but it's basically how it is. Anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is just find your power button once more and, oops, try that again, and select restart. When the device boots back up, it will automatically boot back up into the normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.